The service forward collision warning message in your Jeep Renegade indicates a malfunction in one of your vehicle's most important safety systems. This warning appears when there's a problem with the forward collision warning system, which is part of Jeep's advanced driver assistance systems. The forward collision warning system is designed to detect potential collisions ahead of your vehicle and alert you to take action. This system is particularly common in Jeep Renegade models from 2015 to 2024, with enhanced capabilities in newer models. The system relies on three main components working together. First, there's a 77 GHz millimeter wave radar sensor, typically mounted behind the front grille or bumper. This radar is the primary detection component that monitors the road ahead. The second component is a front-facing camera that provides visual confirmation and helps classify objects. The third component is the electronic control unit, or ECU, which processes all the sensor data and determines when to trigger warnings through your dashboard and infotainment system. When the service message appears, it's typically caused by one of several common issues. The most frequent cause is sensor contamination, dirt, snow, ice, or debris blocking the radar sensor or camera. Other causes include electrical problems like faulty wiring or loose connections. It's worth noting that newer Jeep Renegade models from 2020 onwards have enhanced diagnostic capabilities and may receive over-the-air software updates to address forward collision warning system bugs. These improvements make the system more reliable and easier to maintain. When your Jeep Renegade displays the forward collision warning service message, there are systematic steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the issue. Start with these 4 DIY troubleshooting steps. First, clean all visible sensors with appropriate cleaning solutions. Check for any physical damage or loose connections. Perform a system reset through your infotainment menu and ensure your software is up to date. If DIY troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional service is required. Sensor calibration needs specialized alignment equipment, electrical diagnosis requires advanced diagnostic tools, and software updates may need dealer-level access. Industry experts report that about 60% of forward collision warning service messages are resolved through cleaning and software updates, while the remaining 40% typically require sensor replacement or electrical repairs. To prevent future issues, follow these strategies. Perform regular sensor cleaning, especially monthly in harsh conditions. Give prompt attention to any front-end damage, and keep your software updated by checking for updates regularly. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will help maintain your forward collision warning system's reliability and ensure your safety on the road.